are stuck in a meal prep rut and thought of eating another plain dry chicken breast makes you want to order takeout, stop right there. I got you covered. Today, we are making the ultimate high protein bowl that is absolutely exploding with Southeast Asian flavor because we're chasing the flavors, y'all. We are talking about an overnight lemongrass turmeric marinade, a perfect sear, and a secret weapon topping that I promise you is way better than any furikake you've ever had in your life. Let's hit the kitchen. The foundation of any great protein bowl is obviously the protein, but we need to build deep flavor because we're chasing the flavor, and we're doing that with a shortcut that tastes like it took hours to make. This is the Mekhala's organic gluten-free lemongrass turmeric Asian cooking paste. I really love partnering with brands that have a story worth telling. And Mekhala is exactly that. It was founded by two sisters, Daphne and Diane, with a simple but powerful mission to make cooking easy, healthy, and meaningful without any compromises. They started the brand to recreate the authentic, bold flavors of the kitchens they grew up in, using only clean, organic, and plant-based ingredients. What's amazing is just how versatile their range is. Whether you're craving Thai, Vietnamese, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, Singaporean, Malaysian, and or Indian cuisine, Mekhala offers a huge variety of Asian and Indian pastes and other organic flavors to help you prep the perfect meal. Their pastes are 100% plant-based and vegan. And they pair beautifully with whatever you're cooking, from vegetables, tofu, and tempeh to beef, chicken, or seafood. Now, today, the word Mekhala means goddess in Thai. And their all-female management team in Chiang Mai is leading the way in sustainability with staff who identify differently along with all walks of life. They work directly with local farmers using regenerative practices and are incredibly international about minimizing waste. It's been so rewarding to partnering with an Asian and women-founded sisters brand that is making a better Asian kitchen accessible to everyone while genuinely giving back to their community. While Mekhala endeavors to the highest standards, they're also mindful of keeping their products reasonably priced so more people can enjoy them, in which if you would like to give this actual recipe a try and purchase your very own Mekhala paste, use our unique Amazon link down below or find the paste in your local grocer by using the store locator on mekhalaliving.com/store locator. When you use our unique Amazon link or purchase at your local store, you're helping us by creating more videos like this one. So I would like to thank you, my aiders, in advance for subscribing, watching, and placing an order with our unique link down below. I would like to take a moment to thank our partner, Mekhala, the two sisters, Daphne and Diane, for letting us share their amazing story and how I can easily chase the flavors of Thailand with Mekhala vegan paste. And let's get back to the video. What I love about this, besides the fact that the ingredients are super clean, like clean, and organic, is how punchy it is. The minute you open the jar, you could smell that bright citrusy note from the lemongrass and that warm, earthy depth of turmeric. We're going to generously coat our chicken breast with this paste. Pop it in the fridge and let it marinate overnight. Now, don't skip the marinated part right here, okay? It's all about the paste. That's how the acid and the spices really penetrate the meat so it stays incredibly juicy. Huge shout out to my own sisters who are vegan and gluten-free with celiac disease and is always looking for clean, plant-based, vegan, gluten-free Asian products. Fast forward to the next day and it is time to cook, y'all. Get your skillet nice and hot and add a touch of cooking oil and lay that chicken down. You hear the sizzle? Because of the natural ingredients in the Mekhala's paste, it is going to caramelize beautifully against the chicken. We're looking for that gorgeous, deep, golden crust. Sear it for a few minutes and on each side until it's perfectly cooked through. Then, crucial step here is let it rest on a cutting board for a couple minutes or before slicing. And because we don't want no dry chicken here, okay? Now, let's assemble the bowl. Because, yeah, you can use whatever base you like. Jasmine rice, quinoa, or greens. And lay down that beautiful seared chicken. Now, obviously, you can tell I'm using rice because rice is life. Anywho, but we're not done yet, okay? Every great bowl needs a contrast of texture, and this is where the magic happens, other than the marinated chicken. We're topping this with crispy, crunchy, fried onion, umami seaweed. Move over, furikake, because this stuff is the next level. You get the savory, sweet, crunchy of the fried onions paired with that salty, earthy umami of seaweed. It ties the whole bowl together and adds that perfect crunch to every single bite. Bright lemongrass, warm turmeric, juicy chicken, and that insane umami crunch. And I put a little skimmer on the side also, and I used carrots and daikon with a little bit of the lemongrass turmeric with soy sauce and marinated that. That's another video for another day. But anywho, this is healthy eating that you will actually look forward to. And if you want to try this out for yourself, I've put all the details and ingredients list down below in the description box. And so, yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy, flavor-packed recipes. And let me know in the comments below if you're team furikake or team fried onions. This is Daphne from justsay.com, and we'll see you in the next video. I think you know what to do.
Real quick, are you enjoying this video? If so, hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified about all our future videos. Also, hit the like button and comment 8 down below to share with your friends and family.
And remember, friends, expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters. See you in the next video.